everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine for 2021. I'm freshly out of the shower, so I'm just gonna do my makeup. I'm wearing my robe. Yup. Let's just go ahead and get started with the makeup routine. I'm gonna start out with my skincare routine. I use this Ordinary oil, and this one is the 100% plant derived. I'm so shaky right now because like I drink coffee and that's like the only thing I drink, so excuse my hands. So putting this on my forehead, on my cheeks, and it's like so cold outside and my skin is so dry, so this oil is like really good. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. Okay, hair's in a ponytail. I'm gonna like shave my little brows real quick. That's good enough. Good enough for me. Moving on to my moisturizer, I use my Curology moisturizer. I use this one day and night, so yeah, I'll just applying this on my face for a good base. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. This is the avocado one, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes to treat my bags under here. So I'm just gonna put like a base for my lips. I'm gonna be using my Lejeune, I think that's how you pronounce it, lip sleeping mask. This makes my lips so soft. I like love it so much. So I'm just gonna put this on. This literally makes my lips so like thick and juicy. It looks like I have like lip injections. I love this stuff. The first step that I do is my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm filming a YouTube video. I first carve out my eyebrows. That's like weird to do, but I feel like my shape of my eyebrows gets like better if I carve it. So I'm using the Kylie Jenner concealer in the color Maple. And I'm using like this little angled brush and just like carving out my eyebrows. And then like I usually like blend the concealer after I fill them in. And then I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Dark Brown. I love this stuff. I go through this like so much. So I'm just gonna be brushing out my eyebrows like this. And then I'm gonna be taking the other side and just fill it in. Oh my god, my hands are so shaky. This step literally takes the freaking longest, and like I like always have to like perfect my eyebrows or my makeup will look like crap. Okay, so you get like the idea of like my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do the other one off camera, so bear back. So my brows, they look good enough, I guess. I don't know, sorry, I woke up my dog. But I'm gonna be moving on to my Maybelline BB cream. I like switched. I used to wear foundation, but I feel like that's so heavy on, and like when I'm like wearing a mask, it's like so like what. But this BB cream is so good. It's like light on my face and it actually covers and gives me like a natural like looking. So I'm just gonna be applying it on my finger like this, and I use the color 130 medium deep if you're wondering. So my freaking camera's dying. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this all over my face real quick, like so, like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques brush and just like blend it all over my face. And like you can definitely blend this with your hands too. Okay, I'm gonna change my camera battery real quick. What attitude? So we changed the camera battery, so we're good now. So I'm just gonna keep blending my face real quick. Okay, I'm gonna apply like a little bit more for like the areas that I need. It's like right here, and like up here. And I am going to do some concealer now, like just under my eyes. The concealer that I use is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I use the color Medium Peach. This is low-key like really light for me, but I just put it under my eyes just to brighten it up. And then for this one, I just blend it with my Beauty Blender. This is like good coverage. Like it's pretty thick. Thick like me. Not me Snapchatting, everybody. So the concealer is blended. This eyebrow looks so bad. Okay, one sec. Then I'm gonna move on to contouring. So I use the KKW contour stick and I use the color tan. So I'm gonna start out with the dark color and just like put this on my forehead like so. Cheekbones. And then that's all I use. And then I use the other side, which is tan, and I just put this like contouring my nose. And then after, I grab this little angled brush and my Too Faced chocolate bronzer, and then I dip my brush in and I just blend the contour.
Hey, yo.
And then now I'm gonna blend my nose contour. Do the same step. Alright, so we're gonna set the makeup now. So I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, the best powder of all time. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics little brush. Dabbing that and just blending, setting my face. Okay, this is the highlighting part. So I use the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop and just highlight my face. Just go crazy with it, you know? And then I use my finger and dip that in and put it on my nose. Maybe I'm gonna like have some fun today and put some blush on. So I'm gonna use the Morphe 2 cheek and lip mousse in the color Amaze. I'm just gonna like blend it on my cheek. This is actually what I do every day for my makeup, so yeah. Does it look good, guys? Do you like it? Do I look like a baddie? Okay, well, that concludes my makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel and comment if you want to comment. And also follow me on all my social medias, please. I'll have everything linked down below so you can follow me on there. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!